What if I told you that the longest living people on Earth are not buying expensive anti-aging supplements, but simply walking into their backyard gardens? While the modern world is obsessed with finding the next miracle pill to slow down aging, Japan has quietly perfected the art of extreme longevity over centuries. They rely on specific, powerful plants that scientists are now directly linking to slower aging, sharper minds, and dramatically lower rates of disease. And the best part? Many of these ancient superfoods can be grown right in your own backyard or found at a local market. Today, I am going to show you 10 Japanese superfoods that will completely change the way you look at aging. Stick around, because number 8 is so powerful that researchers believe it is a key reason Okinawans regularly live past 100. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because we post new videos every week that explore the most powerful, life-extending plants on the planet. Let's get into it. Plant 1. Shiso, the ancient leaf that fights time. Let's start with a plant every Japanese grandmother knows by heart. Shiso, also called perilla leaf. You will often find it wrapped around sushi or tucked into salads, but it is far more than a simple garnish. Shiso contains rosmarinic acid, which is one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatory compounds ever studied by science. Clinical research shows it suppresses allergic responses, reduces oxidative stress, and heavily protects your cells from the exact kind of damage that accelerates aging. Best of all, it grows like an absolute weed. You can plant it in your garden once, and it will self-seed year after year, giving you a constantly renewing supply of one of the most powerful anti-aging herbs on Earth. Plant 2. Shiitake, the mushroom of immortality. Shiitake mushrooms have been strictly cultivated in Japan for over 1,000 years, not just as food, but as potent medicine. They contain a fascinating compound called lentinin, which has been studied extensively for its immune-modulating effects. In fact, in Japan, lentinin is actually utilized as an adjunct in certain medical protocols. Shiitake mushrooms are also rich in B vitamins and are one of the very few natural food sources of vitamin D when they are exposed to sunlight. For homesteaders, you can easily grow shiitake mushrooms on hardwood logs right in your backyard. A single inoculated log can produce these life-extending mushrooms for 3 to 5 straight years. Plant 3. Ashitaba, the regenerative leaf of tomorrow. Ashitaba literally translates to tomorrow's leaf, because if you pick a leaf today, a brand new one grows back the very next day. This plant is native to the Hachijo Island of Japan, where the locals are famous for their exceptional health and extreme longevity. Ashitaba contains unique compounds called chalcones. A study published in a leading scientific journal revealed that these compounds promote cellular cleanup processes, your body's natural way of recycling damaged cell parts. This recycling process normally slows down as we age, but Ashitaba helps support it. It grows vigorously as a perennial in mild climates, meaning you can have the cutting edge of longevity science growing right on your patio. Plant 4. Goya, the bitter melon of Okinawa. Goya, widely known as bitter melon, is a massive staple in Okinawa, a region famous for its incredible number of centenarians. Yes, it is extremely bitter, but that bitterness is the exact reason it is medically remarkable. Goya has been studied extensively for its powerful effects on blood sugar regulation. Clinical research demonstrates that it contains compounds that heavily support healthy glucose metabolism. In Okinawa, this vegetable is eaten regularly as a core part of their longevity diet. It grows as a highly vigorous vine in warm climates. Many Japanese gardeners actually grow Goya as a living green curtain over their windows, giving them shade and potent medicine all at once. Plant 5. Natto, the ultimate cardiovascular protector. Natto is undeniably challenging for Western palates. These fermented soybeans have a strong smell and a sticky texture. However, natto might just be the single most powerful cardiovascular food ever discovered. It contains nattokinase, a specific enzyme that research shows actively supports healthy blood circulation and cardiovascular function. Furthermore, natto is extraordinarily rich in vitamin K2, which plays an absolutely critical role in directing calcium straight into your bones and keeping it out of your arteries. Regions of Japan that consume the most natto consistently show the lowest rates of cardiovascular issues. The soybeans used to make it are incredibly easy to grow in a home garden. Plant 6. Umeboshi, the ancient body reset. Umeboshi are pickled Japanese plums with an intensely sour and salty flavor that have been a staple for over 1,000 years. In traditional Japanese medicine, they were practically considered a cure-all. Modern research shows that these plums contain high levels of citric acid that strongly support energy metabolism. Studies have also demonstrated that ume fruit extracts possess high antioxidant activity and actively support liver function. The Japanese ume trees are beautiful ornamentals that blossom in the spring and provide the fruit for you to make your own umeboshi at home. This is the exact pickled plum that ancient Japanese warriors carried directly into battle for endurance. Plant 7. Gobo, the longevity broom. Gobo, commonly known as burdock root, looks like a long, dark, woody stick, but it is revered in Japan for supporting health from the ground up. It is incredibly rich in inulin, a prebiotic fiber that heavily feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Modern research increasingly links a healthy gut microbiome to everything from a strong immune system to slowing down cognitive decline. Traditional Japanese herbalists called gobo a blood purifier, which modern science translates to powerful liver support and improved detoxification pathways. It is a biennial plant that is straightforward to grow as long as you provide deep, loose soil for its long roots. Plant 8. Satsuma Imo, the Okinawan secret to 100. This is the plant that changes everything. Satsuma Imo, the Japanese sweet potato, is believed to be one of the single most important foods behind Okinawan longevity. Traditionally, these sweet potatoes made up roughly 60% of the entire Okinawan diet. The purple-fleshed varieties are heavily loaded with anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants linked by research to reduced inflammation, improved cardiovascular health, and neuroprotective effects. Sweet potatoes are one of the absolute easiest, most productive crops you can grow in a home garden. They thrive in warm weather and store beautifully. This humble crop might hold the single biggest dietary secret to living past 100 years old. If you made it to the end of this video, you now know that the secret to a long, vibrant life isn't hidden in a laboratory. It is growing right now in gardens across Japan, and it can grow in yours too. These 7 superfoods are legitimate, science-backed plants that support the highest life expectancies on Earth. Smash that like button if this video changed your perspective on aging. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you going to grow the ashitaba or try making your own Goya? I read every single comment. And if you haven't subscribed to the Senior Garden Advisor yet, hit that button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. We are helping you grow a longer, healthier life right in your own backyard. See you next time.